Alright, there's a lot of gentlemen in kilts here today, so this next song is dedicated to you. A Scotsman dressed all in his kilt left the bar one evening fair. You could tell by the way he walked that he drunk more than his share. He staggered around until he could no longer keep his feet. Then he stumbled off into the grass to sleep beside the street. Oh, ring-ding-diddle-diddle-idee-o, ring-ding-dilly-I-o. He stumbled off into the grass to sleep beside the street. Well, about this time two young and lovely girls just passing by, says one unto the other with a twinkle in her eye, you see, yon sleeping Scotsman's a strong and handsome built. I wonder if it's true they don't wear beneath the kilt. A ring-ding-diddle-diddle-idee-o, ring-di-dilly-I-o. I wonder if it's true they don't wear beneath the kilt. They crept up on that sleeping Scotsman quiet as could be, and lifted up his kilt about an inch so they could see. Lo and behold, for them to view beneath that Scottish skirt was nothing more than God had graced him with upon his birth. A ring-ding-diddle-diddle-idee-o, ring-di-dilly-I-o. Was nothing more than God had graced him with upon his birth. Well, they marveled for a moment, then one said we must be gone, but let's leave him a souvenir before we travel on. As a gift they left a blue silk ribbon tied into a bow. Around the bonny star the Scotsman's kilt did lift and show. A ring-ding-diddle-diddle-idee-o, ring-di-dilly-I-o. Around the bonny star the Scotsman's kilt did lift and show. Well, the Scotsman rose to nature's call and headed for the trees. He lifted up his kilt and then he gawks at what he sees, and in his drunken voice he says to what's before his eyes, lad, I don't know where you've been, but I see you won first prize. Ring-ding-diddle-diddle-idee-o, ring-di-dilly-I-o. Lad, I don't know where you've been, but I see you won first prize. Thank you. Thank you.